Welcome to the Comtech India and Taiwan Excellence Online New Product Launch and Business Matchmaking Press Conference. In today's program, we will be showcasing to you Taiwan's smart city solutions, not only for the COVID-19 pandemic, but also for the future. And in today's press conference, we'll be showcasing to you the latest and most advanced solutions in smart city that is from Taiwan. So once again, a big smile for the cameras.
These companies' representatives will introduce their latest innovative products and solutions, such as IoT embedded solutions for machine automation, medical application, intelligent transportation, and city surveillance, smart office, industry, and home solutions.
Taiwan has a well-developed and highly concentrated ICT supply chain, and many major ICT companies are now developing innovative smart city solutions for various application areas. We will thus have many more business cooperations, especially given the backdrop of the rapid developments in the Indian and the global market.
Taiwan and India have developed an excellent relationship over the last decade, and there is growing interaction between our people and business organizations, which is based on our trust and shared values. And we are very eager to support your efforts in India to help us to build smart cities and also in other domains. We look forward to sharing our vision with you and working with you in the future.
One, we have the professional experience and the technologies, and we have to know how to do the new production, and we have our production have the quality and the flexible. And the second, we have the global supply chain integration capability. We can integrate the upstream and downstream for the multi-location manufacturing and for the local partners. And at least the centralized service to meet the diverse needs. And we have the after-sale service.
So lastly, we just want to emphasize that Advantech, we are not only providing you the hardware, but also we are trying to provide you a total solution, by which we mean that we can give you the software in-house by Advantech called Edge AI Suite. Again, we want to emphasize that within this AI suite, we are providing the pre-trained model. We are providing you the capability to remotely monitor your devices installed at on-site, which can be 1,000 miles away from where you are sitting right now, to save a lot of cost of sending your engineer to the sites.
We provide more than 3,000 different kind of models, from serial connectivity to connecting different types of devices. And then our industrial Ethernet switches are used to build a reliable network as well as embedded computers. So, most of we can provide a one-stop shop for different kind of connectivity, no matter it's wired or wireless.
We now offer a wide range of IP video solution that is blended with AI and IoT technology, thereby providing unique and exclusive solutions to our clients. All in all, we have end-to-end solution provider. We have cameras, we have recorders, and we have our own VMS systems, and then we have our cloud portals.
Evision has worked with almost every well-known brand in our industry like Canon, Kodak, HP, Fujitsu, Brother, etc. So today I would like to introduce 4 of our products that are self-service copier, AM7640i, which is a A3 multifunction, AN360W, which is a Android-based network scanner, and AD8120U, which is a high-speed A3 scanner.
Synology is a well-known company for NAS, network attached storage, across the consumer and enterprise market. But in addition, we have started to focus on our product, network video recorder, as well in the recent year.
People have started to pursue a comfortable and convenient life. Since we integrate IoT with smart blinds, it's easier to accurately control the blind through your voice and smart devices. In addition, it's a two-way communication system so you can check the status and get a feedback immediately.